Welcome back, everybody. I have a new one for you today. It's a barbecue brisket bison smash burger. Try saying that 3 times really fast. Ground bison. I picked this up at Sam's Club. If you don't know where to get ground bison, typically Costco and Sam's Club sell it. I've seen this brand in several states. The unique thing about bison is, and we eat quite a bit of it out here in Colorado, it's really high in protein and it's really lean. So I'd put bison in the same category that I would put moose or elk. Very lean, very low fat, but high protein. Way more protein than beef. So usually 21, 22 grams of protein per serving. Smoked brisket, so it's already cooked. This just so happens to be mesquite smoked, and I happen to have a hickory barbecue sauce today, but it's gonna work out. Don't you worry about it. I think what I'm gonna do, we're gonna slice that down the middle, kind of like I would bacon for bacon fried corn, and then we're gonna do our best to dice this. Small chop, dice, something in that vicinity. I'm making a huge batch because family is coming over for dinner. I have several pounds of bison and I want to mix the brisket into the ground bison. So I'm gonna eyeball this. Gonna grab some of that ground bison with the brisket. Gonna loosely pack a brisket bison meatball. And I think we'll experiment and do around a 3-ouncer today. Picked up a new brand bun at Sam's today. Nature's Own brioche style hamburger bun. Cooking for a lot of people, so I want to get these taken care of ahead of time. We're gonna put mayo inside of the bread so they toast better. A little bit of mayo on the inside of the heel and the crown. Spread that out. You could use butter, but mayo just works better. It gives you a better toast. It gives you better color. Blackstone Pro Series 36 burns really hot, and I have it up really high, almost all the way. Look what else I found at Sam's Club. Wagyu beef tallow. We'll try something new. Pure Wagyu beef fat. Gonna rub that into my griddle top. I can always add a little more if I need more. And you can see we have some heat. You want to be on high heat when you're doing smash burgers. It would be way too chaotic to cook 10 or 12 of these at one time. So let's just do a few right now to show you how I want to make these. You can smash those with your spatula or with a burger press. Check this out. I had a subscriber from Florida that made this. He's a machinist. I love to use parchment paper, and we're going to give these a press. You don't want to overpress your patties, but you want to make sure they're big enough, and I think that'll do it. Grab your favorite barbecue rub, your favorite barbecue seasoning, go in for the flip. Looking good, looking good. Season the second side as well, double cheddar. If these were a really thick patty, I would wait until they were almost done to put the cheese on, but you can see these are super thin smash burgers, so you can cheese these right away because they're gonna cook so quick. Move these patties over to the side and we can toast up our buns. Nice thing about having a 36 is lots of real estate, and you can turn some burners down. You can even turn one off if you don't want direct heat. Time to toast up those brioche buns. Feel free to press the bread down a little bit. Being careful. Check out the buns. Woohoo! They are hot. Time to stack the patties. If I can, I'll alternate the direction of the cheese. I'm gonna put a little bit of mayo down on the heel, along with shredded lettuce. Sam's Club theme. This is the kind of sauce they had today, and of course I love hickory. So I'm gonna go down with some of this hickory barbecue sauce, and I think we're gonna do something different today. I'm always sauteing my onions, but I know my wife and I enjoy a nice slice of raw onion from time to time. So don't like onion, don't use onion. If you wanna saute them, but today, let's go with a slice of fresh onion. I just think this is gonna be killer. Go on with those beautiful brioche buns. Oh yeah. Take a look at that. It's a barbecue brisket bison burger. The alliteration, barbecue, brisket, bison burger. And they look out of this world. Let's give it a try. Everybody's in the house now and they're getting really hungry, so I need to hurry up, bite this thing, close the video, and we're gonna end with B-roll of me making a whole bunch. Brisket. Oh my goodness, tastes like a smokehouse burger of sorts. So I got this idea. A couple weeks ago, I filmed a brisket quesadilla. I took leftover brisket from Rudy's barbecue, put it in the quesadilla. Today I was at Sam's Club and I was thinking I wanted to do a bison burger. What could I do that's different, right? How many times do you guys need to watch me make a cheeseburger, or let's kick it up with a teriyaki burger and a slice of pineapple? We've done that. I saw the brisket and I was like, whoa, brisket into the bison. It fulfilled two needs, of course, my need for that alliteration with the letter B and flavor. It's smokehouse and steakhouse. I'm loving that crunchy onion. Saute so many onions on the Blackstone. Sometimes it's nice to just take it back old school, back to when I was a kid, like in the 70s and the 80s, and just a slice of onion on the burger is so darn good. So we'll get this recipe up at blackstoneproducts.com. Make sure you leave me a thumbs up, a comment down below. Please watch the other shows on the Blackstone Network. There's so many of them, but I really do appreciate you watching. And until next time, this is Todd. I'm saying praise the Lord and pass the barbecue brisket bison burger. Take a look at that. I have plenty more burgers to make. Lots of bees tonight.